Hi, let's learn the tarot. Today we're going to be talking about card number 0 of the Major Arcana. Sometimes it's unnumbered. This card is the Fool. Pulling the card, you see that the Fool is often depicted as a person about to step off a cliff, eyes elsewhere. This is mostly based on the Rider-Waite-Smith tradition, where we've got the Fool carrying all their worldly goods in a satchel on their back. A small animal at their feet and 1 foot over the abyss. The Fool is not about recklessness, not entirely. The Fool is about trusting that the world will work out. Not that the world will work out great, but that things have a tendency to work out. The Fool is about optimism, and the Fool is about taking chances.